with the illegal immigration, with the tens of millions of people that we know about who have come over here illegally,
Yeah.
President Trump is doing his thing with trying to deport a lot of these people, the violent criminals first. Sanctuary cities, right? So we have a lot of these local, commissions, city commissions that are we're going to be sanctuary cities. What can you do about that?
Well, I mean, people can yell and scream and say whatever they want. My only concern is whether or not they follow the law. And the law here in the United States is that you need to be in this country legally. And if you're not, and there's an order of deportation, or if the federal government is trying to adjudicate your status to be here, well, the federal government should be allowed to do their job. My understanding, these are just estimates from various studies, there's around perhaps in the state of Michigan, 100,000 illegal immigrants right now. That's the estimate. And they're in all various parts of the state, some of them dangerous, some of them not, right? But what we need to do, and I would do this as Attorney General, is to talk to all of our local law enforcement agencies, our sheriffs across the state, Michigan State Troopers, and say, look, we're not here to exactly round people up. I mean, that's the federal government's job, but we're here to assist. Do not get in the way. Right. There are other things that we can do too. I mean, one of the big concerns, and I don't mean to sort of get a little bit too pie in the sky, but it is a concern that doesn't get a lot of attention. Where are these individuals going to be housed? Right. So if they're waiting for deportation orders or to have their rights adjudicated, and we can't necessarily trust them sort of like on their own recognizance being out there in the population, where do you put them? There's only so much space that the federal government has. I would be encouraging our local counties, if they do have space in their jails, to allow for the kind of detention of these individuals while their rights are being adjudicated. And they can actually make some money from that too. I mean, we can cooperate with them. Doesn't mean we have to, have stormtroopers going on the streets throughout all the homes or whatever else for everyone. No, but we should not be getting in the way. And that means when it comes to sanctuary cities, you need to follow the law. And if a city has a policy that ends up sort of getting in the way of law enforcement, well, then I think that the president of the United States has every ability to say, and I think he's absolutely correct, well, that particular city, municipality, whatever, they can lose their federal funding.